JerriahMarieeTV, where everything on your TV is always freaking lit. You guys can see by the title, today I am doing a touch-up tutorial. Your girl has been looking a mess for like 3 days now. Just because I've been chilling, I've been enjoying my weekend. I'm off of work, so I ain't did my hair. I ain't did ding. I know I have been getting a lot of requests to do another hair tutorial. Your girl is still rocking Harley, so I haven't got any new wigs or anything to do a tutorial on. So I said, why don't I just do a touch-up tutorial? You know, I've never seen somebody do a touch-up tutorial, and I don't think people really know how to touch up laces. Not everybody does. Some people do whatever they can, but I just want to show you guys my way and how I touch up my hair, because your girl does wonders, no cap. It be looking like somebody else did it after the fact. There's all of my, you know, utensils. I have to use this little stand situation because I don't have my tripod. I don't know where it's at, so I have to use this situation to hold everything. This is all of my utensils. I have my Bougie Barbie wax stick, my glue, all my clips. You're gonna see what the cotton swabs are for, because I know you're looking like, what the heck, but that's all my combs, brushes, and all of that stuff. No extras. Let's get straight into it. Start by showing y'all how it looks under here. It looks like this because your girl has a closure. This hair is really good. I promise you, you won't even know that it looks like this. I think it's a 6x6. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a something by something. 24-inch closure. It's a loose wave. I got it from weavepro.com. I'm gonna put it right here, WeavePro. You can search up Vanessa WeavePro. That's also my hairstylist. I've been with her for about going on 7 or 8 years now. But yeah, so she's been doing my hair for a while now. This is some really good hair. Like, it might look like it's done for and through, because look, my lace is all the way even back, but I'm about to do some wonders to it. I've already been more so into full laces just because I like full lace wigs now. I don't really think I could go back to wearing anything else or even leave outs. Like, no, I'm all about the lace now. So let's get started, because I said not a lot of talking, and I realize I'm doing that. So first, I'm gonna, you see that, y'all? Like, this curl, it's like in a curl now because I've had it in a bun for 3 days. And that's how good this hair is. Also has another location. So she is in Highland, you guys. She is located in Highland. She does have another location in Upland, so she is kind of far. But if you're like local like me, like I'm from Long Beach, it's only about an 1.5 hour, 2 hour drive, depending on what time you go to get. I just combed it out. Y'all see that? It looks like I curled it or something, and I really didn't. I did not. I can see my color is kind of fading now, but it's okay because it did what it was supposed to do for my birthday, so that's all it was supposed to do. Like I said, I haven't washed it since I've got it, so honestly, if I would have washed it before doing this touch-up, it definitely would have looked a little better, but I promise you it's not gonna look any different. Right there, Hold Extreme Cream. This right here, which she sells, guys, she sells in her stores right here, does wonders. Usually I take the whole thing and I kind of just put an even amount, and like this, you'll see I'm about to put some over here, and that's really all you need. A bit in, and I do it even a little bit past to where the closure is, just because I want to make sure everything is good. I feel like you want to just put it right where the closure is, right where the lace is. Please do so. You do not have to copy me. Do what's best for you. I'm just showing you what I do. A lot of people, when I do tutorials, they be like, well, it didn't work for me, or it didn't do that. A tutorial is basically showing you how I do it. You don't have to do the same exact thing, but most people do just because they're like, well, I'm watching the video to see how to do it. You feel me? If it did, and then I take it, my thing over my head, just because, to make sure that it does not fall off. Nah, just kidding. That is still a little sticky. I like to take my scarf, put it around, just to lay it down a little bit more, because you know, sometimes when you have a lot of glue, or it's like still kind of gluey, previous application, it's like very hard to get it to lay down because you know it's all that gunk on it. That's why it's best to wash it. If you guys ever get this hair and you want to wash it, I promise you it will go right back to normal. Use some Pantene. You do the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, which I don't recommend. Do shampoo and conditioner for Pantene, and then put fabric softener in it, y'all. Let me show you. So I use the shampoo and the conditioner. You're mainly just really have to use the conditioner and fabric softener. You can use any fabric softener. I use Downy. Put a little fabric softener in it, let it soak, and then rinse it out, and your hair will be good. It will look how it did when you first got it, I promise. Okay, so I let it sit for like a good 2 to 3 minutes. And voila, now it's laying back on my head, and now we're finished. No, I'm joking. Here's something, actually a cool trick you guys can use. If you ever glue down your lace, please give it at least 2 to 3 minutes to sit. That is something I had to learn over the years. So now what I'm gonna do is part it. Like I said, I'm doing a side piece today. I mean a side part. I never really do side parts. I always keep them in the middle just because of the closure, but who cares? A rat tail. And I kind of just made a part. The thing I do like about this hair is I can do whatever to it. Fuck it up, mess it up, bleach it up. I can do whatever to it and it just still go back to normal. I always do this side just because I like the way my profile looks on this side. But I never try this side. Like I never. Okay. So I'm gonna use the Remington flat iron. I'm doing a quick straightening, you guys, just because I know I'm curling my hair. This is not gonna be a straight flat iron, but I do it and it gets bone straight, okay? Finished with the flat ironing part. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do all that big stuff just because, for what? All right, y'all, so I basically switched up my whole situation. Switched my hair to the other side because I just wanted to see what this side would look like. Almost died. Just touch it up in my roots. You can't really tell, but I like to touch it up just to make sure. I kind of just take a little stencil, a little like stencil like this. You guys can take anything. I use Man Eater by Tarte. This is actually one of my favorite palettes by them. So I just showed you guys how to do the touch-up tutorial for a lace. I didn't really have to show you much because there's really not much to show you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know because I always want to do hair tutorials and beauty tutorials for you guys. I actually want to get more into that this year, so please let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. You always get into it, like I say, and make sure you tap in. And like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah!